Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide tutorial on how to search place by host language in Airbnb application on Android device. Well, some of you may prefer to communicate with hosts who speak your preferred language fluently to facilitate smoother and more effective communication throughout your stay. So, let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, open Airbnb application. Well, so here, click the icon placed at the top right corner. Okay, after that, please scroll down and then you can look for host language option. Okay, so here, click show more options to see more language. Well, so now you can select the preferred language used by host. After that, click here to see the result. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to search place by host language in Airbnb application on Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.